Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be installing the auto trunk on a Tesla Model 3. So I got some panels off right now and I'm taking off the taillights currently. So let me guys show you that, and I'm gonna start the install once I take out the taillights. So this is what I have so far. Took this panel off. Got the headlights out, the taillights actually. This panel on top here, and this piece. So the next step is replacing these and running the wire through the taillight holes. So I installed one of these struts, ran it through the taillight. Here's the cable that comes out, pretty big. I'm gonna do this side, just have the rug just in case I decide to damage the the glass. I'm not gonna do that. So ran this fishy wire thing through this whole tube all the way down into here, through this hole, and this is what it is right now. I just need to tape up some wires to this. I think this is one of them. And then I need one more, and then basically pull it all the way through to the top. It's gonna come out here. It's gonna go probably through this hole, maybe into this middle section. This is where I'm gonna connect this and everything else. So let me do that and show you how it's connected and stuff like that. So to remove this original latch, I'm using this tool right here. I think it's a hex 7 by 32. That's the one that fit here. So as you can see, it comes off. Just gonna remove this and install the electric one. So far I taped this latch motor down there, and this is the cable that comes from it. Right now I'm gonna do some work on this side, connect the ground wire, connect everything here, and run the cables up. So I just used this 20mm thingy to make the hole in this cover and install the button with my drill. So let's take this button and install it. So put the wire through the cables, and then it just goes in. Never mind. Undo this little thingy here first. Take it out, then put it in. Okay, now put this back to secure it from the back of the button so it doesn't fly out every time. Also, I just noticed and forgot to do it, I guess. There's some tape over here, so you gotta tape it first. And that's how it looks like. Pretty decent. Took me a minute or so to install. Yeah, let's move on. So I connected the trunk lights to this kit. This is where I mounted the box, and pretty much everything connected to the box. The only thing I'm trying to get done is trying to get these wires out of this connector. Not exactly sure how to do it yet. I don't know if I'll be able to even, because I need to run these cables all the way to the top. That's the only thing that's left, and the power. So just two things left: power with the ground connection, which is pretty easy. The power will have to be ran all the way to the front seats, and then these wires all the way to the top. I don't know how to run them through that with the connectors on. So it says on the instructions that you have to take the connector out, but I don't know how to do it, to be honest. So trying to figure that out right now. Other than that, pretty much everything is almost done. It's quick. It takes about, I don't know, a couple of hours, to be honest. And I'm not even done yet, so it's gonna probably take 3 or 4 hours to do this for you. So make sure you have that time. Been here for 2 hours now, but I'm just trying to get everything, trying to understand everything that's needed to be done. So yeah, that's that. So I figured out how it's supposed to be. I found this cable motor plug, it says on it. So this is what I did here. I unplugged this button connector that was here, which is over here now. Plugged in that piece, plugged in the one from the car into this yellow piece. It says handle plug on it. That's what I did here. And then it comes, this whole piece of wiring comes with these connectors. So I connected one of them to the release, and then just one from the car to the one from this cable. And this is what I have on this side, just some wires sticking out. And let me show you what's left. I have this cable, which is tailgate button, so it's going to be connecting into that cover for the button to work. And then I have another wire, or like cable with wires that are also like that. So I'm thinking they have to hardwire to one another, and then connect the button and connect the power. Those are the 3 things that's left. So I'm gonna take this piece out by pulling like some clips on the inside, and hopefully these wires come out. I'm gonna tape that to the fish tape and run it through that into the middle section. So the fish tape thingy just kind of came out, the tape ripped, so I ended up just cutting this whole cover thing and ran through the cables through like that. That way it's easier, and I'm just gonna tape this whole thing up with electric tape and it should be good. So here are the 2 cables that I ran through. I'm gonna connect them now and then connect the power and see if it works. Yeah, pretty much these connect. No, this connects to this, and this one I need to put the clip back in, the connector, and connect it to that panel where the button is gonna be. So that's how the hardwired cables look like. And that's how it looks like with electric tape on. Everything's secured and taped up. I added tape on each single wire and then did it on top as well. So now what's left is connecting the button. So this is the cut tube installed back with tape. So it's in there, the clips are back in, everything is good, just like it was before. So this is where I connected the power, behind the back seats. There's this red thing, that's the power. That's where I connected it. And I'm gonna close this back up and show you how the back works. I think it should be working now. It should be working now in the back. So once I put these seats back in, I'm gonna show you guys the auto trunk. So this button is lit up. I'm assuming it works. Let's try it. Is it gonna lock? Let's see. It's locked. No, it's not locked. So I gotta adjust some stuff. So I adjusted the latch and everything is pretty much working now. Let's test this one out. So here's my phone. Trunk unlock. opens, and if I click chunk unlock again,
gotcha, bitch.
The app's stuck. Damn it. It's updating something. So if we check, it's locked. And if I press this button on the car as well, it does the same thing. Super nice. I'm happy. Happy with the results. It was pretty easy to install. Well, just time consuming. It took about like 3 or 4 hours. And all that's left to do is put this cover back on, put the clips back for this carpeting, and then the top plastic piece, which is like one of those, that one I think. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to Hansshow for sending me this. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'm out.